Technical tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Python and just hit enter. Then you will get the python.org, the official website for the Python. Just click on that link. Now here you will get the downloads button. Just click on downloads. Now you will get the latest version of Python. It is 3.12.5. So it is for Linux, macOS and other operating system. So let's click on this download button. Now just scroll down and here you will get the installer and the file. So we are going to install it for Windows 64-bit. So just click on this. So it will start downloading. It is just 25 MB file. Let's wait till download complete. Then we will install it. So we have downloaded the Python. Let's install it. For that, open it into folder and just double click on this exe file. It will take a while to open it. So let's wait. Now here you can just click on the customize or upgrade now. So I'll just click on the customize installation. Now here they are asking us to select the feature. So I'm selecting all and just click on next. Now here we have one option that is install Python 3.12 for all the users. So this you can select or else you can just keep it as it is. Then this will be the path where all our Python library will be stored. So if you want to change, you can directly just go to this browse button and you can change it. I am just keeping it as the same. Then just click on install button. So it will start installing. So let's wait till this process is complete. So we have installed it successfully. Let's close it and try to check the version. For that, open your command prompt. Just type Python space hyphen version to check the version and just hit enter. So you can see Python 3.12.5, the latest version we have installed. So in this way you can install the Python in Windows 11 operating system.